morning students. Today we will start with Standard 1 EVS. We have finished with the first lesson, that is our body parts, and then we have also done the poem Where is Thamkin, and now we will start with the second lesson, similarities and differences. Everyone have to take out your textbooks. Okay? Everyone take your EVS textbooks out. Page number 9, and we will start with the lesson. Similarities and differences. Similarities means who look like same. The one thing looks same like the second thing. And differences means when two things do not look the same. So first sentence we'll start reading. Similarity is likeness or resemblance. Like I have told you now, similarity means looking same. And difference is the quality of being unlike or different. Difference means when two things do not look like each other or they don't have anything in common. Our world is made up of many people like you and me. We see around us, we can see each and every people, they don't look like us or you don't look like them. We all totally look different from each others. But we all have the same body parts. You can see that we all have the same body parts. Then too, we don't look the same. Which body parts we all have the same? They are our two eyes, our 2 ears, 1 nose, 1 mouth, 2 hands and 2 legs. You can see that we all have the same body parts, but we do not look same. Everyone looks different. Though we have the same body parts of the body, we look different from one another. This also we all know that even if we have the same body parts, everyone, your mama, your daddy, everyone in your family, around us, we all have the same body parts. Then too, we don't look the same. First thing that we can see between, no common between people, that is their height and the weight. The weight is the body weight and the height is how much tall or short you are. All the people in the world do not have the same height and the same weight. You can all see some is tall, some are short, some are thin, but some are fat. So this is how that no same people have the same weight or the same height. Everyone has different height and weight. You can see here it is given in the picture that see, some people are thin, some are fat, some are tall, while like some are short. So each and every person around us is differentiated between height and weight. Everyone has different height and different weight. The next thing is complexion. It is a very big word. Complexion means different color. Okay? In its simple language, it is complexion means different color. Complexion is the color and the look of a person's skin. You can all see some are very fair, some are very dark. So this is all what? This is all complexion. Complexion means what? Color of each one of our skin. See, you can see here, some are fair while some are dark. This is called as complexion, means which have different shades of color. Every person has a different complexion, that we all know. Next is types of hair. See, you can see your hair. Everyone has different types of hair. Some have bushy hair. Bushy hair means too much hair on their head. Second is thin hair. Very thin hair they have on their head. Third is some people have very straight hair. They do anything but the hair remains the straight. Next is the curly hair. You can all see in the mirror, not now, but you can see in the mirror that we all have different types of hair. Correct? Next, we will turn the page. Page number 10. Next one is the eyes and nose. We all have eyes and nose, but some people are different from these two things also. Let us see how. Some people have black eyes, while some people have brown, blue or grey eyes. Eyes means what? The color of the eyes is not different. Everyone is the same. But the ball inside your eyes, many people you have seen, they have different color of that ball. Which one is that? Some have black. Everyone in common the same. Everyone's nose, you can see, that is also not same. You all have a nose, but the shape of the nose is not same. Some have pointed nose, then some have flat nose. Correct? Some people have flat noses while other may have sharp or pointed noses. See, you can see here the nose of this man. Some people have pointed nose, means whose nose is little long, and the second is the flat nose. See, you can see that flat nose this way. Next one is our age and growth. Some people are young, that we all know. People are young, and while people are also old. Every person goes through a process of growing. Whenever we are born, we are small, then we grow little, then we grow little. Like this, we pass through all the stages of growing. First we are a baby, then we grow into a child, then we go young, then we become old. So these are all the process of growing. Then a small boy grows up to be a young man, which I have told you now. A small girl grows up to be a young lady. People look different according to their ages. See the face of a boy, he looks different. While a man, he too looks different. He has beard, mustache, his hair. A girl, see the picture of the girl? She is a young girl, but when she turns into a lady, she is also having many changes. Okay? And also one thing, do you know that the fingerprints of no two people are the same? Even twins have different fingerprints. Fingerprints means the prints which we have on our hands. All these prints of each and every person, it is also different. We think that whenever they are twins, they might be having same fingerprints, but no. Even if they are twins, they too have different fingerprints. So what we have seen in this lesson now, we have seen that no two people have any similarities. Everyone in this world is different, and by how? By their weight, by their height, by their complexion, means the color of the shade, then by their hair, also by their eyes, nose, age and growth. Everyone okay? Everyone has understood the lesson? I hope so. Parents, please help the children if they have any complaints or any questions regarding this lesson. And now the homework, the question and answers which is given on the page number 10 and along with page number 11. This all will be provided to you in the end of this video. Parents have to take care that you make the children read the lesson and also explain them if they have